Now, the Department of Pension under the Ministry of Treasury has announced that all pensioners have to register on their new registration portal. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, first, I want us to look at the guidelines, and we are going to start with eligibility. So who are these people who are eligible to apply or register on their new registration portal? So one, you must have served as a state officer, a member of National Assembly, a civil servant, a TSC teacher, Kenya Defence Forces, National Police Service, Prison Service, and the NYS. So if you've worked in the above mentioned fields, then you are eligible to register on this new portal. Number two, a dependent of the principal pensioner who served in the above service. So in the case that the pensioner is deceased, then the dependent can be able to register on this new portal, provided the pensioner was working in the fields that I mentioned. And lastly, you must have been receiving a monthly pension by October 2024. So if you haven't been receiving your pension until October 2024, you are not eligible to register on this new portal. Number two is the requirement. What are you required to have for you to be able to register on this new registration portal? Number one, you need the scanned copy of national ID, that is both the front and the back of the national ID. This applies to pensioners who are still alive. Now, number two, you need a scanned copy of the bank or SACCO card, that is the front side, where monthly pension is being remitted. And you must make sure that the details on the card are legible. Number three, in the case where the pensioner is deceased and the child is listed as a dependent and they are applying on this new registration portal, they need to have their birth certificate. So you'll scan the birth certificate and also the death certificate for the pensioner. So these two documents will be required for the dependent. And lastly, you need a valid email address and a phone number. You must make sure that you can be able to access the email address because they will be making communications via email. And also you give a valid phone number. Please be careful when you'll be filling these fields. Now that we have all these requirements, the third step is the registration process. Now, I want you to stay tuned on this channel because I'll be dropping a guide on how to register on the new pensioner portal. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe with the notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified when I'll be posting this video. I hope that this video gave you a clear picture of what you need to register on the new pensioner portal, and if that is the case, please make sure to like this video so that it can be pushed to more people who are searching about this topic. Otherwise, I want you now to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in our next video. Peace.